and you know how to eat, darling, all saltfish sweet. Okay, we're going to do some saltfish buljol. Thank you, Sparrow. We're going to do some saltfish buljol, and this is the saltfish that I'm using. For the people who are Spanish speaking and want to know what saltfish is about, it is pescado salado con espinas. Pescado salado con espinas in español. Muy bien, muy bien. Okay, so here we have, this is a 16 ounce packet, 1 pound. So what I do, I use half pound of saltfish, okay? And this is the saltfish. It's been boiled because it's salted. And this is the saltfish with the bones. We have saltfish that don't have the bones, but I love the saltfish with the bones, okay? So this is half a pound of saltfish here. It's been boiled in regular water to extract the salt. The water has been thrown out and it's boiled again to extract the salt because I don't know how salty it really was. Here we have some chopped red sweet peppers. This is like half a chopped sweet pepper. We have the chopped green sweet pepper also. I have the extracted juice of 1 lemon to remove the freshness from it. This is some scallions here that I've chopped. And of course the good old tomatoes. Tomatoes, some people could use extra tomatoes. It all depends on your flavor. Alright, and I have here some chopped onions and also garlic. And I have some chopped bonnet pepper because I have to serve the children, so I'm not going to use too much of a bonnet pepper. In Trinidad, we call this congo pepper. Okay, so these are the ingredients for making the saltfish. So I'm coming to the stove. It's been preheated. I'm going to use the oil that I used to fry the fry bake and put a little bit in the frying pan. I'm going to use oil, it's not much really. Okay, so you're going to use the same oil, it's not going to waste. You have to learn to conserve. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the onions to the oil. And the garlic. Stir it up. You can smell that onion and garlic cooking together. That aroma is out of this world. Next we're going to add the scallions. Toss it around. We're not wasting time today, okay? Sweet peppers. Green peppers. Bonnet pepper. Chopped tomatoes. You can add more tomatoes, as I said. Like a professional chef. You toss it around. You don't have to leave it directly on the stove. You can toss it just above the stove. Cook it for a little while. Look at how beautiful it is. You know, everything in the Caribbean, everything in Trinidad, because we are such a multi-ethnic society. We have a culture that is diverse and unique in nature. So, obviously, the food is going to be diverse and unique in nature. This is a cosmopolitan of food here. All different races are here in the spot. Okay? So, these are the vegetables. We have to cook the vegetables. But I don't like my vegetables overcooked. Okay? This is a fast pot. Fry bake and saltfish is a really fast pot. If you know what you're doing. All saltfish sweet. It's sweeter than meat. So here we're going to add the saltfish. You see the bone in the saltfish? I like to taste that bone. I like to bite that bone. You understand? I like saltfish with bone in it. Smells so good. And we toss it around. Toss it around really nice. My brother Edwin, I know you like saltfish. So let Bev make some saltfish for you, okay? It's about done. Finish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to display it for you. Here we go. Saltfish. Trini saltfish, by the way. Trini saltfish. Bacalao. Different names. So this is the finished product of the saltfish. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some orange peel tea, because I told you already, fry bake and saltfish and a nice cup, in an enamel cup with a little dent, is the best tasting breakfast you can have. Now let me show you how to peel an orange. First to begin, when you're making orange peel tea, you get an orange, okay? You peel the orange. This is me peeling the orange. You peel the orange. You get that nice rind. You know, we used to go competition long time to see who will break the orange rind. So I've been practicing all those years. Oh, I'm doing great, right? Yuppie! This here is the orange rind. Beautiful orange rind. One of those websites, I think it's www.orangepeeltea.com. It specifically states that the orange is loaded with vitamin C, and it is very good for people who have respiratory problem. If you have asthma, you know, it sort of open your airways, make it patent so you can breathe properly. So people who have asthma, try some orange peel tea. Don't do all those fancy stuff in the box. Natural herbs, natural fruits, natural vegetables. This is orange peel. So for my Trini counterparts, what we do with the orange peel, we dry it until it is hard and crispy. Okay, but this is not a dry one. I have the dry one, just a little piece I had, and I have it in this. I have it in this enamel jug. Long time enamel jug. And this is a long time enamel teacup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour me some orange peel tea. Look at the color as it comes out the mug. See that color? Look at that color. This is how it's extracted all the rind and everything from the orange. And this is what the orange peel tea look like. You can use carnation milk, condensed milk, a little brown sugar to sweeten it. It all depends on you. Okay? So this is what is going to be served. Orange peel tea, saltfish buljol, and fry bake. You see how light the fry bake is? Look how light the inside. I'm going to show you. Look at the inside of the fry bake. It's very light inside. So I'm going to dig in. Wow. Wow, I can't wait. Saltfish, I can't wait. I like the bone to stick me in my throat, you understand? That's just to say how good the saltfish came out. So, I'm going to take a bite of this saltfish buljol and fry bake. Words cannot express. And a little bit of orange peel tea, right? Oh my God, it's heavenly. Let me take another bite. It is so tasty. It is so tasty, people. So tasty. This is really good. Alright? So I'm going to come with another video this weekend. So please look at my channel, Andrea Trini Recipe, and subscribe. Please subscribe.